In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in FreshBooks with a quick and easy tutorial. If you're looking to minimize distractions and streamline your workflow, turning off unnecessary notifications can make a huge difference. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the FreshBooks website. You can simply do a Google search for FreshBooks, and it should be right at the top of the search results. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to initiate the login process. Now it's time to log in with your FreshBooks account. Enter your credentials, including your email and password, and hit the Login button. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you may need to complete that process as well. Once you're in, you've made your way to the dashboard, where you can see an overview of your account activity. The next step is to access the Settings menu. You'll find this option typically represented by a gear icon. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where we can make adjustments to how FreshBooks communicates notifications to you. Moving right along, on the Settings page, you'll notice a tab labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click on it. You're doing great. You're now on the Notifications page where you can control various types of updates FreshBooks sends your way. You'll see a list of all the different notifications, and you'll have the flexibility to manage them as you see fit. To turn off notifications, simply look for the toggle or button that allows you to disable them. Depending on the version of FreshBooks you're using, this might be a switch, a checkbox, or a button labeled Turn Off Notifications. And that's it. You've successfully managed to turn off notifications in FreshBooks, minimizing the interruptions and helping you stay focused on what truly matters. This small tweak can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure that your attention isn't constantly being pulled away by alerts that don't require immediate action. If later you decide that you want to reverse the changes and start receiving notifications again, the process is just as simple. Follow the same steps, go back to the notifications page, and enable notifications, selecting the ones that are most relevant to your workflow. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're now feeling more in control of the alerts you receive from FreshBooks. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.